Hey guys, how we doing? It's Crypto Insight UK here, back with another video for you. We'll be looking into the charts again today. So it's the 7th of May 2021, 10:31 BST, and we are looking at the Bitcoin hourly chart here. As you can see, what did I say yesterday? When I last touched in with you, we were looking to break above the 58k. I said it would be good if we could, but I did think we would trade between this sort of range, and we stayed above 55k and below 58, which is exactly what I expected. What I'd like to see for Bitcoin is some more momentum to come through, maybe some volume, as I know I always go on about it, but that's what we look for when we're looking to start a move. Some volume to come through so we can hopefully push up and try and get above this sort of level here. Otherwise, I can still see us trade sideways for a little while the altcoins continue to take off. We'll go. Today is a consolidation day again. We did have that huge day the other day. And we are looking for something in the market to start moving like that and hopefully bring the rest of the market with it. We're going to touch on a few coins today. We'll have a look at Ethereum. Again, a similar position for Ethereum. We want Ethereum to hold this 50-day as support. Otherwise, we could look to come down and test the 200-day at the 3,100 mark, or maybe the 3,300 mark, because that was an all-time high recently. Or yeah, around the 3,100 would be a double support, but the 3,300-ish area was an all-time high here, so we could look to come down and use that as support. But preferably we hold the 50-day and we try and make that move above this Fibonacci level here. As you can see, it's really struggling. Not quite tested it there. Rejected it here. Rejected it again. And every time we've come down and we've looked a bit weaker on the 50-day this time. So hopefully we can build some momentum. This could form like a V bottom here, and we could, or a U bottom, and we could U out, and we could get up above this Fibonacci level. That's what I'll be looking for there. XRP, again, similar story. We got up to the 170. We got all the way up to the 176 mark yesterday. Was that yesterday or the day before? I think it was yesterday. I'm pretty sure it was. Yeah, 1 a.m. We just touched the 172. Yesterday night, and then we rejected that. We had a big drop down. We tested the 200-day and used that as support, which is great. Pushed out of there, shows that it's a solid support. We then rejected the 164, came down again, tested the 200-day twice, and used that as support this morning. And we are looking now to try and make that positive move up. We are trying to break. If we break through 75, guys, I put some TA out in my chart. If we get above there, we've got some really good price targets coming in. Yeah, you should have a look into my technical analysis chat if you want to see my breakdown of where I think the price is going. But you'd be very happy with where I think the price could go. Litecoin's another one. So we broke the all-time high again. Well, not the all-time high, but the previous high from yesterday again this morning. What we're looking to do, not this morning, sorry, yesterday. What we're looking to do is, we might have just wicked it this morning. I don't know. Or we've at least tested it again. What we're looking to do is get above the $420 mark, because then we can start looking at price discovery for Litecoin. That's the all-time high is this line here, the 419-ish dollars. If once we get above there, we are looking into price discovery. But as I said, we're waiting for something to start taking off and bring the rest of the market with us. VE chain is 9% up this morning. I've drew a little bull flag pattern on this just now. This could potentially be forming. What's good to see here is it's popped out of that structure that it was kind of in, where it's just consolidated sideways. It's popped out of that structure and got above the two key resistance levels at about 22 cent that have been holding it down, 22.5 cent, and it's popped all the way up to 24. It came back down and it's now using the top of them as support, which is great to see. We might consolidate sideways for a little bit, hopefully break out of this and up above the 28 cent. If we can get above there, we're in price discovery as well, so that'd be exciting news. We'll be setting all-time highs, but before that we've got some big resistance points. I'd say one here at 24 sort of cent where it rejected last time, a big one here at 26, and then the next one at 27.9. We could be looking at all-time high, but we'll see what happens in the coming days. It depends on what goes on with the market. EOS is another one, massive move the last few days. I think it moved like 100% in the last 2 days. Let's have a look. So to the top, 111% to where we are now, 94%. We are also looking to test all-time high, which is up here at $15, $15.50, and then we will be looking into price discovery mode as well. I think that's right for all-time high. Let me just quickly check. Yeah, $15.50. But look at it on the daily; it's just absolute madness. That is. Getting great, it pops above this fib level and then starts going on an absolute mission. Hopefully we look to continue that today with EOS. And we'll look at the market caps, and there's one other coin that I wanted to just quickly touch on. What I said yesterday is I hope that we had a candle close above the all-time high, which we managed to. This When there's a candle like this with the wicks at both ends, it means that there's uncertainty in the market, so it's waiting to see what the next day's candle does to determine where the market's going to go. But as that candle closed, even though there is high wicks at both ends, it is above the all-time high, so we are looking for this candle to take us bullish because of the candle close yesterday, even though it could be conflicting as that's kind of a doji pattern, or I think yeah, kind of a doji, but and that means that there's uncertainty and doesn't know which way the market's going to go. But with this with it being above the all-time high, I would hope this next candle would be green, so we can look to move up out of this area as we broke out the all-time high. With the altcoin market cap, again a similar thing. I would like this green candle to start forming upwards, but we don't know what's going to happen yet. Today's kind of a wait and see sort of day. I'm very up and down on the market. The other one I wanted to cover was XMR Monero. Have a look at it on the hourly. Again, it's popped out of that consolidating range. Let's have a look. I don't know if it's all-time highs or not because I haven't done much yet. I don't know because it doesn't take me far enough back, but I don't think it is because I think I've seen Monero at thousands before. But it's popped out of the range that it's been consolidating at for a little while, and broke the structure again. So we're looking to keep this move going. That again is forming a bull flag here, which is a continuation pattern depending on which way you're coming from. So if you're in a descending pattern and you form a wedge or a flag like that, then it's a continuation down, and if you're in an ascending, it's normally a continuation upwards. So we're looking for continuation today out of Monero. Only time will tell, obviously, guys. But as I said, most of the market's looking green today. Doge did have a pump this morning, but it's rejected the 63-cent mark so far, and something that would worry me if I was a positive Doge trader, which I'm not, is that it really struggled on the 702 level, which is always a big point of resistance. So we could be either, if you're a Doge holder and you are looking positive, then it could be coming down to consolidate in this area to make another move up. But I personally think with everything that's going on this weekend, there will be a Doge crash. I know I keep going on about it, but that's my personal opinion on what I think is going to happen with Doge. But yeah, just as we've been speaking, it looks like Litecoin's started to move a little bit, even if it's just a few percent. So with this green candle breaks above this mark here, we are looking to go towards all-time highs today. I hope that helps everyone out in the market. Sorry, I can't get my words out this morning. Maybe I need another coffee or a proper one. I might go live on TikTok if anyone wants to speak to me. But yeah, guys, hit me up if you've got any questions. Get my comments if you want to know anything, and remember that I do have paid services for anybody who needs some help with crypto. That's anything from if you're new to the markets, I can help you with charts. We can show you how to draw basic charts, or even more advanced charts, show you some chart patterns. I can show you how to research and find information about crypto. I try not to give any tips in sort of what to buy, where to buy. I can talk to you about portfolio diversification or percentage structures and what I do with my portfolio and what I'm looking to do when I'm looking to take profits. They're the sort of things that I can talk to you about in one-to-ones. But I also have a technical analysis chat with a great technical analyst. I have a news channel, and we have a private discussion channel for tier 2 members and above. But yeah, also, if you're new to crypto, I have 2 links in my bio, in my description, to exchanges. One's Coinbase. You sign up on there, we'll both get £10 free if you deposit over $100. And I also have Binance, where you'll get 5% off your fees if you use my sign up link. And finally, I have my Ledger Live link. So if you are looking to buy a hardware wallet, which I would definitely recommend with all the new rules that may be coming through, not your keys, not your crypto, I have an affiliate link to Ledger, and it's always important to get it straight from the manufacturer and not a third party. But with all that being said, guys, hope you have a great day, and I will speak to you soon.